Welcome back to the next video. Now we're going to talk about our list widget. How do we deal with lists? And lists are very simple to view. So to show that, first thing we're going to do is create just a list.py, or lists.py rather. And we can, of course, we're going to do the same thing we did here. We're going to copy paste everything that is just the same in every program that we make. So that's about it. Now I'm gonna make sure that this show selected is pretty similar, so we're gonna change this later. We will change this. So first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna add some lists, like what is a list in the PyQt5 library. So let's create a list. List is a queue list widget. That's what a list is. And of course, just like a combo box, you can add a lot of things here. And list is also a key word, so I don't like to use it. It will work definitely, but you can add an underscore here just to make things more simpler. And list.add items will add items, just like easy, hard, expert. That's about it. Let's say we have added list, and now I want to add it to my layout.add widget list, and this will add it here. So now you will see, okay, I have run the wrong application. Python lists.py is the application that I want to be running. So you can see I've selected these. Now how do I know which one I've selected? This is also very easy. Let's say I want to print whatever is selected on the screen. So there is a function called current item changed in list. For example, let me show you. List.current item changed, and you connect it to whatever function you're writing, of course. We can even do this. We can say, okay, I just want to print. I don't want to do anything. I just want to print, and I will print the current text of the item that is changed, and this text changed. So how do I know what is going on here? Because it's also going to give me an argument here, and I can just print that argument's text. Let me show you. It should work just fine. Easy, hard, expert, easy. Now I think I didn't explain that well enough. When you use this current item changed event, and it has a connect method, you connect it to something of a function, right? You connect a function to it. Now we created a lambda expression here that takes in the argument. This argument is the button or the list item that is selected, and you can then print that list item, do whatever. I used the lambda expression here. I could have easily used a function here, so I'm going to do that. So I can pass in here I don't need to use a lambda here, just show selected. It will automatically get the other parameter, which is the item, and item.text. Let's see if it works, and it will work, because show selected is not defined because it's self.showSelected. Easy, hard, expert. As you can see, it works just fine. So in the next lecture, we're going to talk about line edit, which is pretty simple. It's just taking input from a line. So I'm going to see you in the next one.